Welcome to this gorgeous craftsman home with newer custom amenities in a highly desirable Tualatin neighborhood. It's ideally situated just a block from Ibach Park and in walking distance to Tualatin High School and Byram Elementary. This immaculate home offers a fantastic floor plan and wonderful spaces for entertaining large or small gatherings. The covered front porch invites you inside. You'll discover a thoughtfully designed interior with designer paint and beautiful architectural details throughout. The renovated kitchen features breakfast bar seating, concrete countertops, a custom design backsplash, and a walk-in pantry. The warm and inviting great room includes custom built-ins by the stone gas fireplace. Head outside for all-season entertaining on the covered paver patio, relax by the pool, or gather with friends and family. The beautifully designed landscaping provides gorgeous colors in the spring and summer, a true backyard oasis. Back inside, you'll also find a main floor office. On the upper level, escape to the private master suite, complete with peaceful views. This 2,800 square foot home has plenty of space, with 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths, plus a bonus room with added storage. Living here, it's easy to enjoy the award-winning and expansive Ibach Park, designed for all ages. You also have easy access to I-5 and downtown Portland. You're also close to wine country. And for a weekend getaway, it's just about an hour drive to the scenic Oregon coast and to all of the snow sports at Mount Hood. It's all here waiting for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Jason and Amber Gardner at 971-832-1234 or visit them online at gardnerteam.net. For financing options, contact Stephen Syme with the Mark Hanna team at Directors Mortgage.